Welcome to part 2 of our Ubud vlog. Here we are taking you a little bit outside the city to Tirta Empul, the temple of God Vishnu, and a trip to Leke Leke Waterfall, finding glimpses of local ceremonies. Then back in Ubud city, we will take you to some beautiful market streets, a tour of another traditional Balinese house, and we'll take you to beautiful restaurants and cafes around the city. Join us on this another adventure.
Good morning in the morning, and look at the beauty of the rice fields, all green. We rented a scooter from Ubud and we are just 5 minutes away from center Ubud, and you can find all these beautiful rice fields. And now we're going to the water temple, which is about 15 kilometers away, and it's just beautiful. Follow me. Look at all the rice fields and the terraces. Wow, this looks just beautiful. And I think we will find a lot more green rice fields. I'd love to see.
After enjoying our morning at the rice fields, we headed to Tirta Empul Temple, which is around 15 kilometers northeast from Ubud, and it would take you around 45 minutes on a scooter to reach. But it is also possible to get a taxi or a shuttle bus from the main town to reach here. Tirta Empul is one of the Bali's most sacred water temples. Located in the village of Tempaksering, this ancient site has been a place of purification and spiritual renewal for over 1,000 years. As we enter the temple grounds, you will notice the serene atmosphere and the lush surrounding. Tirta Empul is divided into 3 main sections: the front yard, the central yard, and the inner yard. The heart of the temple lies in the central courtyard, where you will find the famous holy spring and the purification pools. You must remember that Tirta Empul is an active religious site. Visitors are welcome to participate in the purification rituals, but please be respectful and follow proper dress codes. Sarongs and sachets are required and can be rented at the entrance. As you explore further, you will find stone carvings and shrines dedicated to Hindu deities, especially Vishnu, the god of preservation. These ancient artworks tells you stories of Balinese mythology and showcase the incredible craftsmanship of centuries past.
And we are in the Tirta Empul Temple, the water temple, and we said our prayers, and now we're going inside of the holy water to have a bath. Chalo.
The heart of Tirta Empul is its sacred bathing ritual. Pilgrims and visitors line up here at the Purification Pools, where 30 water sprouts gush with holy spring water. Each sprout has a specific purpose. People move from left to right, dunking their head under each stream while offering prayers. The first 2 sprouts are for cleansing the spirits, while the others are believed to bring good fortune, heal illness, and grant wishes. It is important to skip the sprouts dedicated to the deceased. This ancient ritual is called Melukat, is a powerful way to cleanse both body and soul in temple's sacred waters. Whether you're here for the spiritual cleansing or to admire the temple's beauty and history, Tirta Empul offers a unique glimpse into Bali's rich cultural heritage. We spent hours there praying and enjoying the beauty, but it was already late afternoon and we headed back to Ubud. We are in Ubud and having lunch with Carlos.
And we are having a vegetable mix curry that tastes delicious with mixed vegetable noodles and some yellow rice with turmeric.
Enjoy! And this restaurant looks very beautiful.
Yeah.
We are in our guest house, starting another day, pretty late. And Carlos is working a little bit on his computer.
Hi. So we are ready to go to the waterfall.
Leke Leke Waterfall is located approximately 30 kilometers north of Ubud. This stunning natural wonder is about 1 hour drive from the city center.
How are you?
Yes. Ceremony. And you?
Ceremony.
Yeah.
Where? Wow. Wow. Very pretty. Hello. Hello.
We drove down from Ubud for like 1 hour and we are going to Leke Leke Waterfall. We have parked our scooters up there and then there is a downward hike for 10-15 minutes. And here they have put down swings so you can take pictures with the jungle, and you need to pay here a ticket to be on the swings and get a picture.
Beautiful jungle, rainforest on the way to the waterfall.
This beautiful hike is through the verdant rainforest. The path winds through bamboo groves and over picturesque bridges, offering glimpses of surrounding tropical landscape. Upon reaching the waterfall, you will be greeted by a mesmerizing sight. A narrow stream of crystal clear water plummeting from a height of about 25 meters into a small shallow pool of blue water. The waterfall is framed by towering cliffs adorned with lush vegetation, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. One of the most striking features of Leke Leke is a natural arc formed by the cave behind the waterfall, adding to its unique charm and photogenic quality. The mist from the cascading water creates a refreshing atmosphere that's perfect for cooling off on a warm Balinese day. It was already evening time and we drove back to Ubud with beautiful sunset view, crossing small villages with lush green rice fields. Now we are having dinner
And this is pad thai and special bowl with
With-
salmon.
Delicious.
Very
Very
tasty
nice.
and very beautiful restaurant.
It was a new day in Ubud. We were walking around the market and we found this beautiful traditional Balinese house which we wanted to show you.
Look how beautiful the houses, and I love these plants, which just like stand here, so beautiful. Painting, and then you have these ones also. Can you see? They just grow epiphytes. Beautiful one. Hello. Wow, looks beautiful. And look at the temple all at the back. And they have all these little birds.
Beautiful.
The temple. And look at this bonsai, this tree. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, very beautiful.
And they love to have these birds. Feel a bit sorry for them because they are caged up.
A part of Ubud's charm is its beautiful market streets.
And we are in Jalan Hanuman in Ubud and enjoying the beautiful juice
Very yummy.
in a terrace. And it's so pretty and beautiful, full of boutiques and shops and restaurants. Very nice. What are we having?
Very nice juice with a lot of things. With strawberry and chia seeds.
Hello. How are you? Good? Hi. Masa. Very good. Thank you.
We are in Goutama Street in Ubud, and here are lots of restaurants and shops and lot of crowd. And tonight we are having Balinese food. This is tuna, steamed tuna in banana leaves, and tom yum soup, and prawns, cocoa prawns, which are cooked with coconut. Looks very beautiful, amazing.
Let me see, let me try. You want to try the prawn? Amazing. Really delicious.
Enjoy. This was our motorbike in Ubud. We did a lot of driving around here to go to the rice fields and go to the temples. It was just perfect, and you can get it for £5 a day.
So we rented our motorbike from this lady, which is really nice, and she has beautiful motorbike.
Thank you.
And it was really nice, and is in what is the name of the shop?
Tirta Rental.
Yes. And where is it?
Ya, pada ni pada
Yeah, which side of Ubud is it?
Ubud di Jalan Kajang.
Yes,
Jalan
very
Kajang
good.
di Tirta Rental.
Lovely. So let me pay you.
Yes. And 100. Yeah. If
It
you
was
have
2
a-
days.
Pada ni?
It was we took it for 2 days,
Yeah.
but we've already paid 100.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the only one day.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's been
Thank
very
you.
nice. The motorbike was amazing, very beautiful.
Is it good?
Yeah, very, very good. Thank
If you have a friend for the coming.
Yes.
For the rent.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I will let them know.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very
Thank you
good.
very much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any question on Ubud or Bali, please post a comment. Ubud was really an unforgettable adventure. We are coming back for sure. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tales Beyond Borders.
Thank you. So we are ready
We are ready to go.
with our taxi to Ahmed.
Today.
Bye bye.